Good morning, one and all present here. Myself, P. Janakarathina, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. In my previous video series, I already discussed about what is meant by FMS, Flexible Manufacturing System, how it can be accurate the machining and how it can avoid the human resources as well as how it can incorporate the automation system and what are the basic components are required to develop this kind of flexible manufacturing system and all I already discussed. Today I am going to discuss about the new topic which is again related to the FMS. So what are the different layouts are available in our FMS system? So this is the different types of layout based on the machining and inlet, input, output, and loading, unloading, and workstations arranged. It may be classified into different types of layout. So today I am going to elaborate the what are all the basic layouts are available in our FMS system. So first of all, what are the basic configurations are available in our FMS system means first one is for inline layout. So this is the diagrammatic representation of inline layout. So in a line, all the process will be appeared like loading and unloading in between the machining workstation, assembly workstations. So all these things are arranged in a straight line manner. That is called known as inline layout. Likewise, we have to classify it into loop layout, ladder layout, open field layout, robot centered cell layout. So this is the types of typical material handling equipments. Inline layout means we have to use that conveyor system, rail guided vehicle system, and etc. In loop layout means again conveyor system, in-floor tow line carts, which will be used as a material handling system. In ladder, all these things we have to use the conveyor for moving the raw material from the loading to unloading session, and automated guided vehicle system, rail guided vehicle system. These all are used in our ladder layout. Then open field layout, here we are using the in-floor tow line carts and automated AGVs are used to transfer the materials from one place to another place. And robot centered layout, here the industrial layer robots are used to control the entire operations of the flexible manufacturing system. So this is the I already explained inline layout. Inline layout, the machines and handling systems are arranged in a straight line manner. Here it is noticed that all the loading, unloading, and different types of workstations are arranged in a straight line manner. It is the simplest form, and the operation of these type of systems are similar to the transfer line, and except that a variety of work parts are processed in the system. We have to do the n number of working components or work parts are manufactured by using this kind of inline system. After that, loop layout. So instead of straight line, here all the systems are arranged in a loop manner. Here the inline, like loading and unloading sections are in the same point. Here the inline also same place, and outline, which means unloading also taken care by the same position, and remaining all these machining stations, assembly stations, and other processing stations are arranged in a loop manner. So the workstations are organized in a loop that it serves the second part of material handling system. Here we have to arrange the two loops. One is for the workstations, different kind of workstation, and another one is for the material handling system. So combine these two part, we have to do that the machining process. The loading and unloading sessions are one end of the loop. In the inline loop, the unloading session are the starting point. At the end of the loop, end of the straight line, we have to fix the unloading station. But here both the loading and unloading stations are located in the end of the loop. So this is the basic difference between the other two layouts. And ladder layout, in the ladder layout consists of a loop which runs between the straight section of the loop, on which workstations are located in a ladder manner. Here the n number of material handling systems usage will be avoided, so it can reduce the transportation time between the workstation. Here when compared to other two layouts, here the overall time consumption for moving the parts from the one place to another workstations will be reduced. So this is the ladder type. So in a ladder format, we have to develop the ladder type FMS system. In a open field layout consists of a multiple loops. There only single loops are there. Here the multiple loops are arranged. This layout also similar to the ladder layout, but here the multiple loops are incorporated with the development of doing the machining process. The number of different machines that may be limited, and the parts are routed and different workstation depending on which one becomes the available first. Which will be first means that can be machined. So this is the open field layout. So next one is for robot center layout. Here it is suitable for the assembly session because the robot is fixed in that center. So all the workstations are fixed around these kind of robotic system. So this is called robot centered cell. Here the robotic systems of material handling systems are handling all the materials, like material is entered into the system and finished good is unloading to the packaging parts, all will be controlled by using this kind of robotic system. So this is the different types of FMS layouts are used in our industrial. For the our specification and our requirement, we have to select the individual FMS layout for making this kind of machining process. Thank you.